Dear audience, ladies and gentlemen from the world, welcome back to the Intelligent Asia 2020. Just for the people just coming to the studio and watch our live broadcasting, I would like to highlight a little bit about our exhibition. This is the Intelligent Asia 2020 in Taiwan. Now, most of you know, in 2020 is a very challenging year. The first half of the year got the outbreak of the COVID-19, have some impact on many countries and many industries. So in Taiwan, we encountered a similar thing, but in Taiwan, by the cooperation of the government officials and the people, joined together to try to prevent this COVID-19 outbreak, and it is a success and a wonderful milestones. So in Taiwan, you can see a lot of exhibition conference. They're still undergoing. For example, right now we are in Intelligent Asia 2020. A lot of the people come to this place. It's about buyers, exhibitor, or even the ordinary audience. They join together and make a very successful on-site exhibition. But nowadays, we have some innovation as well. In addition to the on-site visit, we have the online exhibition and also have an on-air exclusive interview for the excellent company in Taiwan. So right here, right now, inviting you to join us for the very wonderful company and their service and solutions. So right now, we are going to introduce a very outstanding company in the central Taiwan, which is the HIWIN technology. This company have a very wonderful milestones. In the history of this development of company, he reached in terms of revenue, he reached the global #2 in the motor control components rank is #2. So that's very wonderful achievement for the Taiwanese company. And right here next to my right is the Assistant Vice President of the HIWIN Technology, Mr. Morris Zhang. So Morris, would you like to say hello to our audience?
Hi everyone, I'm Morris.
Okay, thank you very much for joining us, Morris. So how about let's start by talking about the company HIWIN Technology.
Okay, it's my pleasure, okay? Now, good afternoon everyone. I'm Morris representing HIWIN Technology. Today, I will make a presentation on HIWIN Technology's product and also for the Taiwan show. The outline for today's presentation as shown in next page. I will focus on the product of HIWIN's Intelligent 4.0 both school, torque motor, rotating table, and the robot. Next page, in the HIWIN Technology Group, we have 5 companies: HIWIN Technology Mechanical Components, HIWIN Microsystem Manufacturing Electrical Components, Matrix, a more than 100-year-old company in UK making the grinding machine. And also we have MiiCraft in Israel, which is the R&D center for microsystems product in Israel. And also we have another company, Etherbright, which produces CRGL solar panels. Next page, HIWIN is the motion control global leader for both screw and the linear guideways, which are the key components for intelligent automation and the robotic industry. HIWIN offers from mechanical components to module products such as robot reducer for robot, robot gear reducer for the robot application, torque motor rotating table, intelligent both screw, i4.0 both screw, and for the advanced machine tool and all kinds of industry, robot and automation. Also for the semiconductor industry as well, which includes single-axis robot, 6-axis robot, scalar robot, wafer robot, and the delta robot. HIWIN is the best partner for Industry 4.0 in the smart manufacturing. Next page, HIWIN Microsystem, which provides electrical component solutions. The main product consists of servo motor and drive, torque motors, linear actuators, position measuring system, XY stages, and the inverters. HIWIN is the only company in the world which can offer mechanical and electrical total solution to the global customers. Next page is the Matrix Precision in Taiwan, which produces CNC straight grinding machine. Next page, this is Etherbright, which produces solar panels. Next page. Shown here, all HIWIN's factories are located in Taiwan. We have 6 factories and all key components being manufactured in Taiwan. Next page, HIWIN has a global network having 12 subsidiaries and distribution channels in more than 50 countries. Okay. Now next page, here is our product map. We started by manufacturing linear motion product, both screw, linear guideways. HIWIN manufactures all our own key components. We provide integrated module product also for the industry, automation, and the smart manufacturing industries, such as industrial and medical robots and the torque motor rotary table. Next page, here you can see the full range of HIWIN's product, which include both screw linear guideway, single-axis robot, bearing, cross-roller bearings, the Doppler gear reducer, torque motor rotary table, multi-axis robot, and effectors and a mechanical robot. Next page, here you can see the full range of HIWIN microsystem product. It's displayed here. It includes AC servo motor, drives, linear motor stage, torque motors, head stage, ability motor, position measuring system, and a linear actuator. Next page, some of our best achievements, including HIWIN being current #2 globally in the both screw and the linear guideway production. We are also #1 of the only 2 manufacturers in Asia for torque motor, and the only company that combines motion control components with electrical equipment to provide total solution to our customers. HIWIN is also the largest semiconductor coordinate robot supplier and the top 3 semiconductor equipment manufacturer in the world, HIWIN's key customers. Next page, HIWIN's outstanding performance has been recognized by the global media, such as we rank #16 in Nikkei Business Asia 300 Power Performers in year 19, and HIWIN was also ranked in Forbes Asia 200 Best under a billion companies last year. Next page, HIWIN has a constant focus on smart manufacturing. We have collaborated with university in Taiwan and abroad to develop the next generation intelligent 4.0 board school. With a specially developed sensor and edge computer technology, the i4.0 board school can pre-diagnose the vibration, the lubrication, the temperature, and the preload of a board screw in precision machinery. It is also capable of sending feedback to operators and managers by IoT, to the computers or to the smartphone to prevent unexpected machine shutdown, thereby improving the productivity and the reliability levels. Next page, I was showing a video.
Here.
The video demonstrates the intelligent 4.0 board school and the HMI interface, which monitors the full function of vibration, lubrication, temperature, and preload of a board school in advanced machinery. Next, I will introduce some of HIWIN's total solution products, which are the core strengths and value added to our customers. Like I've shown here, the KK total solution consists of the KK single-axis robot, coupling servo motor, and the drive. Customers receive total solutions for their automation. They just need to plug and play instead of looking for different suppliers for different parts. Next page, as you can see here, this is the LED inspection using HIWIN's KK total solution. On the next page, it shows the SSA platform, which is a total solution stage, which using linear motor technology. It offers high speed and high accuracy for the automation applications. Next page, this is the torque motor rotary table, which is one of HIWIN's main products. Being one of the only 2 manufacturers for torque motors in Asia, we have the advantage of having in-house key components, technology, and know-how. Therefore, we have the component to offer with top quality, value-added product to high-end customers. HIWIN designs and manufactures all the key components like a torque motor, cross-roller bearing, rotary tables bearings, and the drive for our torque motor rotary tables. Next page, this is an example of a precision 5-axis machine using HIWIN's torque motor rotating table to produce turbines for the automotive product. Next page, the video demonstrates the torque motor rotating table helps customers to increase the machine's value-added function to upgrade them from 3-axis to 5-axis machines. This enables the production of more complicated and precise components by a single machine. Next page. Moving on to the robot, HIWIN has a wide range of robots, from articulated robot to SCADA robot to industrial applications, the data robot, many used in the food and the pharma industry, to wafer robot, which is for the semiconductor industry. All the major components of robot are manufactured solely by HIWIN. Next page, this is an example of HIWIN's articulated robot for machine production lines, pick and place. Next page. This video shows HIWIN's data robot and SCADA robot work together installed in the automatic labeling for the pick and place and the inspection for the food industry. Next page, HIWIN's SCADA robot for the packaging and in-process inspection can be seen here. On the next page, the video in this page shows HIWIN's wafer robot for the semiconductor wafer handling processes. Next page, this is the latest total solution product from HIWIN, which is the DRA, Datoker Rotary Actuator. The Datoker is a high precision and a compact gear reducer with a high reduction gear ratio used in the robot, or used in the high precision machinery and in the indexing application. Along with the servo motor and our D2T drive, we can offer customers an integrated precision product, which customer again just need to plug and play. On the next page, here we can see the applications of our DRA for the in-process inspection platforms and for the automation equipment. Next, displays HIWIN's KK total solution with HIWIN's microsystem linear motor installed in the semiconductor in-process inspection equipment. And the next, the application of HIWIN's KK total solution with HIWIN microsystem air bedding stage for the semiconductor exposure machine is shown on this page. So this concludes HIWIN's presentation today, and we would like to thank everyone who is attending this online presentation. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, Maurice, for this wonderful talk. Just including the overview of the company and bringing the whole product line introduction, and specifically brought the 4 key products to our audience, including, I believe, is the i4.0 BS torque motor rotary and robot, and another one is the DRA.
Sure, thank you.
4 different items. So very wonderful talk, and I saw the video, and so many recognition and award in the world and in Taiwan. That was it's a phenomenon. All right, now I have an extra question for the VP that. You know, in this year, this first half of the year is a COVID-19 outbreak. So for the company HIWIN Technology, how do you deal with, how do you respond to this outbreak? Do you have any strategy?
Okay, so actually the COVID-19 did create quite a big impact to some industries, but also it is an opportunity for HIWIN to offer the value-added and high-precision product to automation and for the machine tool customers, such I have presented today, the torque motor rotating table, a lot of advanced machine tool customer, has started to upgrade and then install HIWIN's torque motor rotary table in the 4-axis or 5-axis machines. Also, HIWIN's Intelligent 4.0 board school being installed in customers' high-class machines for testing and production to achieve the intelligent manufacturing. Under the COVID-19 pandemic, the market trend goes more diversity. HIWIN received really good order for all the medical, automation, 5G, and the semiconductor industries, as all these applications need HIWIN's product.
Right, it sounds still very promising in business,
sure.
Right? Okay, it sounds very good. Okay, so the next one is that now we are going to the industrial 4.0, or we so-called smart manufacturing.
Sure.
And HIWIN is a very wonderful provider for those achievements.
Sure.
So what are the forecasts the HIWIN presume at your point of view about this trend?
Okay, thanks for the question. I think to survive and keep the competitiveness under current global industry competition environment, the trends go for differentiation and smarter manufacturing as well as intelligent automation. Such as with our product, the Intelligent 4.0 board school, the machine's health condition can under monitoring and the maintenance can be done according to the IoT technology for predictive maintenance schedule. So there will be no any unexpected machine shutdown and loss of production time. So really the trend is to upgrade a lot of machine from 3-axis to the 4-axis or 5-axis machine. So as such machine can offer intelligent manufacturing capability and value added to our customers. Customer installing HIWIN's torque motor rotary table in the machine can achieve much better productivity and value. And the complicated and accurate components can be produced by just one machine, and which being widely applied in the medical, in the molding, in the automotive, and in the aerospace applications. And HIWIN's robot also can help our customers to set up the smart automation and improve the process productivity in all industry, from machinery, medical, food, packaging, semiconductor, and other applications.
Sure, sure. Many applications HIWIN will go through even in this very outbreak and the following promising future. Okay, now before we conclude this interview, do you have anything to add to our audience?
Okay, thank you. Really, TOYO Show is a platform to demonstrate the intelligent manufacturing and the new technologies for the robot. HIWIN will show our new product of torque motor rotary table, Intelligent 4.0 board school, Dato gear reducer in the TOYOs. We sincerely welcome visitors to visit HIWIN booth in TOYOs. HIWIN booth number is J418, and HIWIN is your best partner for Industry 4.0. Thank you.
Well, great. Now, I have seen the booth of the HIWIN technology. It's a very big and a beautiful one. Later, when we have a tour, maybe we'll bring you more about this HIWIN technology booth. Okay, and last but not least, we thank you very much once more time for the Maurice John to join our exclusive interview on air with the audience. Just like the HIWIN slogan mentioned that HIWIN is the best partner for Industrial 4.0 in the smart manufacturing. Thank you very much for watching. We'll come back later soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Welcome to our booth.